Ninth class student, exercise 16.3, mensuration. 31, question number B part is, that is given figure. Diameter of semicircle is equal to 10 semi. R is equal to 10 upon 2 is equal to 5 semi. At first part the length of boundaries. Shaded part is perimeter of semicircle is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 pi r. 1 by 2 into 2 pi value is 3.14 into r value is 5. 2 divided by 2 after multiply 3.14 into 5 semi, that is parameter of this boundary. Diameter of shaded part is equal to 5 centimeter, that is diameter of semicircle and unshaded part. At first the shaded part, then r is equal to 5 upon 2 semi. Perimeter or circumference semicircle is equal to 1 by 2 pi into 5 upon 2 into 2 divided by 2 5 upon 2 pi value is not given by note put value of the pi 5 pi semi and 5 upon 2 pi semi. First added part as radius of unshaded part will be is equal to 5 semi. 5 upon 2 semi. Both diameter are equal 5 and 5. So perimeter of semicircle 1 by 2 into 2 pi into 5 upon 2. 2 divided by 2 5 upon 2 pi centimeter. Length of boundary is equal to 5 pi plus 5 upon 2 pi plus 5 upon 2 pi. Then 10 pi value is 3.14. After multiply 31.4 semi will be boundary of this added part. Then second part is area of shaded region. Area of semicircle is equal to 1 by 2 pi into 5 square. So 1 by 2 into pi into 20 pi is equal to 25 upon 2 pi semi square is area of this part. Diameter of shaded part, it is same as first part 5 semi, then r is equal to 5 upon 2 semi. Area of semicircle is equal to 1 by 2 pi into 5 upon 2 square. 1 by 2 pi into 25 upon 4, 25 upon 8 pi semi square is shaded part. Area of unshaded part will be 25 upon 8 pi semi square. Area of shaded part is equal to 25/2 pi plus 25/8 pi minus 25/8 pi. After cutting 25/2 pi, putting the value of pi, 22/2 pi value is 3.14, divide by 2 1.757. After multiply, 25 7 175, 7 is carry, 25 5 125, 2 14 is carry, 25 or 39. Semi-square will be area of shaded part. Question number 31 का B part is complete. 32 is question. First part is seed point. This radius is 2 semi. 2 semi. A is center of the complete circle and B is equal to radius is 5, B as a center of the unshaded part of the which radius is 5 semi. Question is 32 A part. Radius of semicircle is 5 semi with center A. Perimeter of circumference of semicircle is equal to 1/2 into 2 pi r, that formula 1/2 into 2 pi. 5 is radius of the complete circle. 5 pi semi is semicircle of the, this measure will be by over line the semicircle, that is parameter of, and radius of semicircle with center is C is equal to 2 semi. Perimeter is equal to 1 by 2 pi r. This time is r is equal to 2 semi. Pi is pi and 2. 2 divided by 2 pi semi is, this part is shaded. That part is shaded part. Shaded, unshaded. Unshaded part, radius of semicircle is equal to, with center B, is equal to 3 semi. Parameter is 1 by 2 into 2 into pi into 3 semi. 2 divided by 2, 3 pi semi. Parameter of shaded part, shaded part is 5 pi plus 2 pi plus 3 pi. After plus is 10 pi. Pi value is 3.14. 10 into 3.14. After multiply 31.5 centimeter is parameter of shaded part. Second part is, we find the area in place of perimeter. Area of semicircle 1 by 2 pi r square, 1 by 2 pi, r value is 5. 1 by 2 pi into 25. After multiply 25 upon 2 pi semi square. Shaded part is, radius is 2 semi. Area is equal to 1 by 2 into pi into 2 square. So 1 upon 2 into pi into 2 square is 4. Divide by 2 pi. Semi square is the, then area of unshaded part is 1 by 2 pi into 3 square 1/2 pi 3 square is 9 9/2 pi same square is parameter area of shaded part is equal to 25/2 pi plus 2 pi upon 1 minus 9/2 pi. After LCM 25 pi plus 4 pi minus 9 pi. After minus is 25 or 29 20 upon 2 pi 2 by divide 10 into pi value is 3.14. After multiply 31.4 semi square is area of shaded part. Second part is B part of the 32 question. A square and 4 corner is quadrant and one circle is that is figure square is 4 corner is 4 quadrant. All quadrants are equal and with diameter is 2. At center ABCD is square. Which side is 4 semi? B part is side of square is equal to 4 semi. Area of square is equal to 4 square is equal to 16 semi square is area of complete square. Radius of quarter is equal to 1 semi. Area of 4 quarters is equal to 4 into 1/4 pi r square. Then pi value is 4 divided by 4. Pi value is 3.14. R value is equal to 1. 3.14 into 1 square is 1. 3.14 semi square is who 4 corner without shaded. We find the area of shaded part. Radius of circle at middle. Circle at center center of square is equal to 2/2 is equal to 1 semi. Then area is equal to area of circle is equal to pi into 1 square. Pi value is 3.14 into 1 square is 3.14 centimeter square. The area of middle circle, area of shaded part is equal to 16 minus 3.14 minus 3.14. After minus 9.72 semi square is area of shaded part. Question number 3 is question number 33. A part is a rectangle as shown the figure. Rectangle is 14 into 7 semi. Quarter is 7 semi. ABCD is a rectangle. Find the area of measure of rectangle. L is equal to 14 semi. B is equal to 7 semi. Area is equal to L into B is equal to 14 into 7 is equal to 98 semi square is area of complete rectangle. Radius of quarter is equal to 7 semi. Area of quarter is equal to 1/4 pi r square. 1/4 into r is equal to pi is equal to 22/7. R value is 7. 1/2 22/7 into 7 into 7. 7 divided by 7 to 77. 77 centimeter square is area of first quarter. Then semicircle, diameter of semicircle is equal to 14 minus 7 is equal to 7 semi. Then radius is equal to 7 upon 2 semi. Area is equal to 1 by 2 pi r square. This time r is 7 upon 2, pi value 22 upon 7, r is equal to 7 upon 2. 1 by 2 into 22 upon 7, 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2. Divide by 2, 11, 7, 77 upon 4 is equal to 19.25 centimeter square. This time is up, put the 4, divide by 2, 77 upon 2 is equal to 38.5 centimeter square. Area of rest part of the area of remaining rest part of rectangle is equal to 98 minus 38.5 minus 19.25 after 98 minus 0.75 57 is 40.25 centimeter square is rest part of the rectangle. Thank you.